Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking to level up your workshop with power, precision, and performance, you're in the right place. Because today we're diving into the top 5 best CNC machines of 2025. Whether you're a hobbyist, small business owner, or professional maker, these machines deliver serious results and cutting-edge features you'll want to see. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support more content like this. And if any of these machines catch your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description box below. Let's get started. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the LUNYEE 4040 PRO, a 3-axis all-metal CNC router built for both beginners and seasoned DIY creators. It features a durable 4060 aluminum gantry, dual linear guides, and a Z-axis 1204 ball screw for rock-solid accuracy across wood, acrylic, nylon, and soft metals. The 15.7 by 15.7 by 3.1 inch working area provides plenty of space for hobby projects and detailed cuts. One of the best parts is its flexible spindle setup, supporting both 52mm and 65mm mounts, which means you can use a 500-watt spindle or upgrade to a 65mm router. Plus, it's compatible with 40-watt and 80-watt engraving modules for signs and custom gifts. At number 4, the Twotrees TTC450 Pro delivers impressive precision and a premium experience right out of the box. With 0.01mm positioning accuracy on the X and Y axes and an exceptional 0.0025mm on the Z axis, this 18.1 by 18.1 by 3.14 inch machine is perfect for wood signs, acrylic art, aluminum parts, and stainless steel projects. It comes with a standard 775 brushed spindle motor and supports upgrades up to 3000 watts, handling tool diameters from 0.5mm to 7mm while carving at speeds up to 800mm per minute. Coming in at number 3 is the Snapmaker 2.0A350T, the ultimate 3-in-1 creative powerhouse. This modular machine handles 3D printing, laser engraving and cutting, and CNC carving, making it a smart investment for makers who want versatility in one solid machine. It offers a massive working volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, allowing large, full-scale prototypes without splitting files. Built with CAN bus modular technology, it ensures fast, stable communication between components, and its all-metal frame delivers repeatability down to 0.005mm for outstanding resolution and strength. Operation is easy with the 5-inch touchscreen and Snapmaker Lubin software, which supports power loss recovery, multi-object processing, custom profiles, and multiple connection options like Wi-Fi, USB, and flash drive. Taking second place is the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030V2, a serious upgrade for makers looking for more speed, power, and reliability. Designed with closed-loop motors, this version eliminates step loss, reduces noise, and reaches travel speeds up to 5,000 mm per minute, perfect for increasing productivity without losing accuracy. The upgraded motion system includes 1,204 ball screws and a more stable Z-axis design, plus adjustable eccentric nuts for fine motion tuning. It uses a GRBL-based control board that works seamlessly with software like Candle and Universal G-Code Sender via USB. The rugged chassis is built for heavy use with minimal upkeep. With a 400 by 300 by 110mm working area and a hybrid T-slot table, it handles everything from plastics and MDF to soft metals with ease, even when cutting irregular shapes. And the top spot goes to the Makera Z1, a next-generation desktop CNC mill that brings industrial-level precision to your benchtop. It features a compact 350 by 470 by 450mm frame with a 200 by 200 by 100mm work area, making it perfect for wood, plastics, brass, aluminum, and even PCB milling. Powered by a 150-watt spindle that reaches up to 13,000 RPM, it's equipped with an ultra-fast quick tool change system to keep your workflow moving efficiently, ideal for switching bits during complex jobs. The Z1 ensures accuracy through auto-probing and leveling, a rigid one-piece cast frame, and linear rails paired with lead screws for maximum stability. If you're focused on precision, user experience, and professional capability in a compact package, the Makera Z1 is hard to beat in 2025.